Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Create a Coinbase account by supplying your email, choosing a strong password, and confirming your address. Verify your identity by uploading a government ID and a selfie. Expect verification to take minutes to a few days depending on volume. Add phone verification and enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for stronger protection. Link a bank account or debit card to fund purchases. Some countries require small test deposits to confirm ownership. Keep account recovery options updated and record backup codes in a secure place. Open the Coinbase app or website and select Bitcoin from the asset list. Enter the amount you want to buy in USD or in BTC. The interface shows a preview that includes the exchange spread and platform fees. Remember that Coinbase displays a conversion and may charge a spread around 0.5% plus variable platform fees depending on payment type. Choose your linked bank account or debit card as the payment method. Debit card buys are often instant but can incur higher fees. Confirm the purchase and check your portfolio for the new BTC balance. To send Bitcoin, tap Send, paste or scan the recipient's BTC address and double-check the address characters and network type. Bitcoin addresses are irreversible. Optionally add a note for your records, then choose an appropriate network fee. Higher fees usually yield faster confirmations during network congestion. Always send a small test amount first, for example 0.0001 BTC, to confirm the destination while it works. After the test clears, send the remainder. Monitor the transaction ID on a block explorer and wait for the required confirmations before considering the transfer complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.